if you have a PowerPoint presentation slide and you forget the password totally, okay, so this video right here is for you. Like myself, I have this course material that I prepare using PowerPoint, but I forgot the password because I don't want people to just be able to edit this document without my consent. Okay, so right here in this short video, I'll be showing you how to unlock the PowerPoint material. Okay, so but let me raise a disclaimer for this first. If you are not the owner of the PowerPoint material, please don't use this to theft people. Okay, so if you are the owner, if you have the right access to the PowerPoint material, then you can use this. But if not, please don't use this method I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the PowerPoint material that I want to unlock the password or remove the password so that I can update the information, because this document is one of my course material documents. Then I want to be able to update the information because a lot of things has changed in past few weeks or past months. Then I want to update the information in the material. Okay, so right here, what I have access to is just to read only, but I don't have the access to modify. So if I click on read only, then if I go back right here and go and click on any aspect of this document, if I type on my keyboard, you can see that it's not giving me access to actually edit this document. Okay, so you can all see. So if I press that, then I'm going to close this down first. Okay, so let me refresh this page. That's the first thing. Then I'm going to click on, you're going to come right here. So if you are on home, click on view. When you click on view, come to the area where you have the file name extension. When you click on that, then you're going to see the extension of your document. If it's .ppt, .xlx, and a lot of them. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Then I'm going to double click. I'm going to rename this document. Okay, so let me click on rename. Then I'm going to change this from .ppt to zip. Okay, so zip, that's a zip document. I'm going to click enter. Yes, you can see now that I have it as a zip document. Then what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on this document again and click on open. When I click on open, then I'm going to have this bunch of folder and this single XML document right here. So I'm going to click on this one first. I will open that. Then I will click on this presentation. When I click on that presentation, then I want to rename it right away. Okay, so it's also in XML, which is another format for HTML documents. So I'm going to put it as plain text, because if I open it as that XML, you might not understand or know where to go. Okay, so I'll click on enter. When I click on enter, then I'm going to double click on that document and open it. So when I click on open, if you are using MacBook or Linux, just click Command F. If you are using Windows, then click Control F. So when you click on that, then search for this word modi, then capital F and small y. Okay, click on fineness. So you can see it right there. It's inside this particular paragraph. So if you understand this, then you're going to know that this document has been encrypted. Okay, so I'm going to highlight all of this. I will highlight it down to the end of that particular paragraph. Okay, so this is where we have it. Okay, no, okay, this is the end of that paragraph. Then I'm going to click on this. I'm going to cut it out. When I cut it out, then I'm going to click on this and click save. Okay, so I'll close this down. Then do you wish to update? Yes, I want to update it. Then I'll click on update. Then I'm going to click on this again. Then I will rename it back to the previous format. Okay, then click enter. Okay, you have your presentation renamed back now. Close this down. Then click on this, rename it. When I rename it, I'm going to remove the .zip, then put it back to .pptx. Click enter. click yes. Then what you want to do right now is you want to refresh. Okay, so as you can see right here, I don't have any documents open, so I'm going to double click on this. When I double click on that, previously it was asking for a password to modify, but now that we just remove the password, it's not even asking for anything again. Okay, so if I click on this, then I type on my keyboard. Okay, so you can see right now, then you can see now that I can actually edit my documents. Okay, can actually edit my documents. Okay, if you find this video very useful, please don't forget to share with your friends who also have lost the access to their PowerPoint material. You might have a PowerPoint material that is like 70 pages. I have one of my course material that is like 70 pages, and it will be very painful if you lose access to modify such material. Okay, so yeah, and if you don't have the rightful access to modify that content, please don't use this password to hijack people access. Please, this is just for educational purposes. Okay, if you are watching this video right on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share. Love you all. See you some other time.